Parents in Motherwell, a township located near Gqeberha, the windy major city in the Eastern Cape, are concerned about the health risk their children face in schools. Many of the approximately 30 schools in the area have buildings over 30 years old, and the asbestos in these structures is shipping off, posing a hazard to learners' health. Given Gqeberha's reputation as the windy city, the risk is heightened as asbestos fibers can easily become airborne and be inhaled.
La roof phakathi apha ine-leak eyebhuzele phakathi eklasini, so ke laa ndizabona bemdaka kwayesilingli iye bemnyama yilaa leak. Mna endingathanda ukubana urhulumente akhe alungise qala asibhethose apha esikolweni, because xana esinefundisa abantwana kwiindawo ezinje, iloo nto leyo abantwana bethu focus bakhathalelanga, awukhambi bayakhona pho bazawuphila ubomi obuncinci. Ezi nto thina sifuna abantwana bebezizo abazifela kuzo phoze bakhula sele benezifuba already ngenxa yeemeko abafunda phantsi kwazo.
Ndiva kabuhlungu ke xa ngeli xesha kuzawuba kukho ezi asbestos roofs ezikolweni zethu, especially kwiizikolo zabantu abamnyama. Noko sasifunda kuzo ngexesha lethu, sasifunda kwiizikolo ezinjalo, but ke akho lutshintsho olukhoyo.
Kosato shares the same sentiments as the parents, urging the government to act quickly in removing the harmful roof material from schools.
The Federation of Workers is concerned by the health hazard learners, teachers and admin staff are exposed to in the schools where they are damaged or decaying asbestos roofs. This is a health hazard that cannot be ignored. Schools operate for almost 8 hours a day, and all those I've mentioned are exposed to that. The mineral filters from the decaying or damaged roofs can cause serious lung illnesses. We are calling for the provincial government to address such matter urgently.
A general practitioner in Gqeberha, Dr. Moyi, warns that asbestos exposure can cause illnesses like asbestosis, with symptoms potentially taking years to manifest.
The conditions that go with it and the health implications of asbestosis and asbestos that has gotten into our bodies can unfortunately start showing 20, 30, sometimes 40 years from the initial inhalation. So it is important to give a full history, good doctor, when you say, I'm finding it difficult to breathe. That's one of the biggest complaints that people come up with. Difficulty in breathing, we call it shortness of breath. They lose weight, they sweat at night. One would think une TB, because those symptoms are not far off from TB.
The Eastern Cape Department of Education acknowledges that some schools still have asbestos, citing budget constraints for removal. However, the department has alternative plans in place to ensure learners are not exposed to asbestos in classrooms in the future.
Ukuzama ukususa zonke ezi zikolo zine-asbestos, which is like 1075 ku-batch 1, uzawunida nje into ephaa ku-4 billion. Kodwa ke ngaphandle koko isebe liye liyaqiniseka into yobana ngaba maliphinde lenze u-batch 2, which is qhubekeke li-assessa ezi zikolo. Ku-batch 2 liye lafumaniseka uba zi-820 izikolo eziye zafumaneka. Siyaqhuba ke ngoku-batch 3, which is i-batch yokugqibela. Mandiyithethe msasa libala into ethi ezi zikolo zine-asbestos xa umzekelo sesidala sesidibanise kwezi zikolo sizilungisayo okanye sizakhayo, kuba ayikho ngxakasana imali ebekelwe bucala ukwenza okanye ukuzama ukususa okanye ukuphelisa izikolo ezine-asbestos.
Asbestos in South Africa was banned in 2008, but 16 years later, Motherwell schools still contain it, posing potential harm to the health of learners and teachers. Reporting for MPK TV News, I'm Zande Pokwana in Motherwell.